The lying leg rotation is going to strengthen your hips. To perform, lie on one side, extend your arm, bend at the elbow, keeping the elbow in line with the shoulder, put the head in the hand. Straighten your legs, ensuring your body is in line. Flex your feet and toes towards your body. Now ensure your pelvis forms a right angle with the floor, so it's perpendicular with the floor here. Top hand goes on the floor for support. Now lift your top leg as high as possible. It should come to a stop if the side of your foot is parallel with the floor. Once your leg comes to a stop, maintain the height of your leg, and then from your hip joint, rotate the leg so the toes and the knee face up. Hold for a second before rotating the other way so the toes and the knee face down. As you perform this exercise, keep your pelvis and the rest of your body perfectly still and ensure your leg rotates on the same axis throughout.